We're going on a stroll to Cooma Woods, Dudmaston Woods. It's a really nice day today. The sun is out, no clouds in the sky. We've got a lovely dappled light, and we've got like low mist and fog. I feel like we've had a full spring. I really do feel like we've had a full spring. Last week was really nice with all the flowers that have come out, and then we've had real frost this morning, and it took us by surprise.
The ancient law of the woods awaits, bathed in gentle embrace of dappled sunlight. As you embark on this sunlit adventure, prepare to be enchanted by nature's symphony of light and shadow.
Just look rising, misty, foggy stuff.
Gorgeous, mysterious, mystical photo with the low mist or fog trickling through the trees.
What happened to here? They've been felling trees. So they've been chopping down some trees, logging some trees. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Logging? Logging?
Logging.
That makes no sense.
I think that.
They've been chopping down some trees. They've got some shit behind us here somewhere. It's fresh but frosty this morning. I'm just going to do a point and shoot. Brought my camera. No bag, no tripod, just going for it. See what we take. Frosty, blossom, frost on the ground. Great combination.
Each step through the woodland reveals a new masterpiece as sunlight dances upon the forest floor, casting patterns that captivate the soul.
It's like the Apple logo. Yeah. If you look side on, it looks like the Apple logo.
You got the Playboy?
Yeah, and that one looks like the Playboy logo. Fallen tree right across the foreground, middle ground. Then you've got the dappled light at the back, greenery. And you've got the little tree here. Cool.
Look at the little Christmas trees.
For the avid photographer, Cooma Wood offers a playground and inspiration. Here, every frame tells a story of the delicate interplay between light and shade.
What have you seen, mate?
I just liked the fallen trees and the tall trees. Yeah,
Very nice.
I liked it.
Yeah, a good shot. Looks nice shot. Got structure as well at the foreground. Lighting.
And I've
Roll of birds, trees, structure.
Yeah, all of that jazz.
All that jazz. We're still on the orange trail going into the
Take a moment to breathe in the serenity of your surroundings. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin.
The old tree. Very gnarly. And that's how I'm explaining it. That's what it looks like. There's no explanation for this.
Through the lens of our camera, we have the power to immortalise these fleeting moments of beauty, preserving them for generations to come.
Going down there. Took portrait and landscape shots. The tree is cutting out the path, unfortunately, but
There's a monster in the trees. It's a little miniature forest.
And the sunlight begins to change. Remember, the magic of Kuma Woods lives on in every photograph, captured in every memory made.